Hello once again, audience, and welcome back to the part 2 of Let's Code with Daxter. And we're stopped on this error, which didn't even try to check or fix this, because I told all of you that I will be fixing everything with you, like that you will learn and you will know how to fix errors and everything. So I got an error with the blue. Now I have some sort of ideas on that what can I fix it. So I need to tape the define before, and I didn't explain because I was in a hurry about the time, like it almost took 15 minutes, and the 15 minutes is the maximum that I can upload, so so let's continue. So define, what is it supposed to mean? Define, it's a shortcut, but shortcut in the same line. It's shortcut for, like, I won't tape this code, I will tape blue, or I will tape my name, and this will be. So I think now it's gonna work. Let's check. Now we have 2 errors. Yeah, I was right and everything fine. Now 95. I need to go to 95 line, which by the way, I can see the lines over here. So yeah, 95. There is supposed to be get player name, p name, and p name. So I got a little error with this crap, and I need to fix it somehow. Annoying. I need to figure it out how I'm supposed to fix it. I knew that I did something wrong there because I think I missed something, and get player name I need now. So let's search in here. We will try set player name, get player. I want to get the player name. So I have set player name. I need to find get player name. Here it is. And to get player, so like it's made it over here. No, it's not helping me at all. Really bad, huh? Okay, we have problem with the get player name. So yeah, I was like getting the animation. I want to learn how to draw animals and a lot of stuff. And I'm listening to Nightcore, which I really love. So we're here now. Need to Pawno get player name. Click enter. Yeah, I already had this problem when I was the first time. And here's the code. So new name, max player name. We don't have this crap. We don't need this at all. Oh, now I remember. I'm such an idiot. I am a freaking idiot. And yeah, basically that's all what you need to do. But I'm explaining everything, like what every part is doing. Get player IP, you can get a lot of stuff which I will explain everything. I want the IP, I want to know what is this. When I will make the register and everything, this will be great. I want to get this. So let's get back to our code right now. Where is it? Pawno. Okay. We left get player name. Yeah, I told already that you can't put here player get player ID, and I want to get the name of the player that doing the command. Which, so I have to do is the player ID, but I want to get the name and not set it. So I doing it over here. I forgot because I was doing it already. And yeah, it's finished. But let's already finish everything. And now I will explain another thing. That this will be confused, so I will just do those 2 things, which like I can word everything that I want. It won't be in the code. It's not gonna make any errors. Like it's for myself. It's when I will code, I will know what is this. So all this thing is for the first text message. When Godman is on. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the same thing, but for the first message when God mode is off. Is off. 4. Okay, fine. Now I will copy because actually no, I won't copy. I will explain now something really useful when you like doing this pname and everything. You don't have to word this 2 times, which I just remembered. So we're gonna make a new word that's like another format which I will be using here. I will be using string. How you can see I'm using string again, but what's no, actually you can't. You can't use it. You can use it as a number. But like, oh, now I will explain why you're using the size of. The size of when you're using two strings, new string like 101. See, I did it fine. Now I can, if I will type, I want to use string as another format. So it will give me the above of the formats, like it's giving me the first text and the second one. And I don't want to do this. So what do I have to do is I need like when I'm typing the p name and like explaining when I will typing the string, which is this, now I have the number that I said. Now if it's another format but I want to use the same name, or you're copying some script and you're changing this, so here you're gonna set, like if you have another already format, just imagine that we have already this format, okay, that's saying this text, and we want another one that's using the same name. I'm not sure if this works, I just hope so. So we're just typing 101. So now I'm using another than the second script and not string and not the first one. So that's basically what is supposed to mean the size of. But I'm using the first string, and it's more useful if you're just typing another name. So I want to use string. I will use my name. I think no. I will use string 2. I can do it like this. String. Not so difficult. And 101 because I'm using another ID. If I will type like the 100, so it will do the same shit again, which I don't want to do. Now I got S. Now we're just typing the format. String size of again. Sorry, string 2 because we're already using string 2 because we're using again. I'm telling you, and typing this. Now we'll just copy it. You don't have to do the same thing with the p name because p name is supposed to mean max player name is getting the. It's already like we said what is supposed to mean the p name, which I will explain why I'm doing 2 times this crap, which is annoying. Now, when we're finished it, what we're doing is using godmod. Stop pad using godmod. Now, like, let's take example. My name Daxter has stopped using game mode. Now, Daxter, Daxter. All this is my name, Daxter, have stopped using game mode. It will take your name, every single person that will use the comment. Now, we're gonna continue right away. So we make string 2. We don't have to like get the get player name. You can make it by another, like I did. Like take the string, delete it from here, do it like this for the first message to make it more not confusing. Okay, so basically that's all. Now we already set it the first string, which is this text, and we're using the color blue. Give me explain a little bit more about really quick about the colors. So we made a define. You know, define is another text, like you're typing something in the code. You can't just type a text. You can even do like something really which I really like, define. So what you're doing in define, you can make. Actually, don't want to get you all confused right now. with the new codes. And in the first part, I give you a file download, the colors ink. So colors, wait a sec, I want to check if the blue thing really work. Yeah, it's working, the blue thing. Now, including colors, what is supposed to mean? Why it is? So I don't gonna add define, because every time that you're making a new define, making a new line actually, and your script and your game mode, so it's getting higher, and you need to make filter scripts, which is like another stuff to not get heavy your server from all these codes in one thing. It's a really bad thing to do. And now let's continue. So I was about to explain. So I made colors, and we include colors, which is including it's something like getting from your folder. It's include this is include folder, and it's getting any file that you want. Now you need to choose what file do you want to get. So I want colors, which I type it here, and now all this bunch of codes right over here. I don't want to spam my code, so I just type in include colors and I finish it. You can do this with lots of another stuff. You can, like, I can copy the on player comment text and yeah, I can copy all this, delete. I suppose I will try this in the next episodes to make it just in test. So you can copy all this, delete, make a new file ink, and just paste this inside of the file and make an include, and this will work for you. But it's not that good, because like then you will have to code by yourself and everything, and the program it's a lot easier with the colors that is right, and like you can do like this and it's fine, and blah 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 blah. It's like showing you the errors that you made. So yep, that's basically all. So there is all the colors inside of this. Now I want to get red, orange, yellow, purple, green, blue, brown, gray. Don't tell me I don't have red. Did I miss it? Yellow, orange, pink, red. Oh yeah, it's the first one. I'm such an idiot. Silly me. So color and something this and red. So we'll just copy it. I don't want to copy all the define to not spam my mod. I just was showing you an example of define, what it's supposed to mean. Now you know this. So we'll set it over here. I will just tape it for now over here to remember not go to the script again. Just copy this and client message to all. Go to here. Now color red. Tape here. Now it's getting from the include the color red. Just clicking it. Fine. Now it's working fine. So this is, but now don't go to your game, because I already saw a problem. Sometimes the pawn just telling you that everything's fine. Of course you did the code fine, but you didn't was smart enough. Why? Actually I didn't, because I get you confused again. So string, I made string without a number and with a number. Now always check out what you're doing in the code that you're copying. Now I made string without a number, and here's without the number. So if I will die, it just will send me the same message with another color, which I don't want. So I will add it to, and now I will complain with F5. That's all. Just click on F5. How you can see it working. So now we'll get into the game. I will just check how much time left. Oh my god, time almost not left. So I will be in the game, and then I will be back. So I'm back. I'm inside the game. I just ran the server. I had a little problems with my server, that I couldn't find the folder again, and it was open. So I'm just an idiot. So God mode with the E and on. Now it's into all the server. Play for you bros have using God mode. Now if I will turn off the same color for no reason, because I remembered. Just be right back. Actually, see you in the next episode, whatever I make. So bye bros, thanks for watching, bye.